Hello everyone, and welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we'll look at the phrasal verb knock out and show you a number of its different meanings. The phrasal verb knock out can mean to hit someone hard enough to cause them to lose consciousness. The boxer plans on ending his fight early. I'm going to knock him out in the first round to win the prize money. After being bullied for so long, the kid retaliated. The bully got one hell of a punch and ended up being knocked out. The phrasal verb knock out can also mean when someone or something destroys equipment and renders it inoperable. The storm got very heavy in the local area. It's gotten so bad that it knocked out the internet in the area over the past few hours. After the storm in the town, a large tree fell over. The tree fell on some overhead power lines and knocked out the electricity in the town. Another meaning for knock out can be when you produce something very quickly. The fitness buff is in great shape and trains every day. I can knock out 100 push-ups every morning before work. The famous movie director has been very successful in recent years. Last year alone, I knocked out 3 blockbuster movies that each made over 100 million euros. The phrasal verb knock out can also be used as a noun, like knockout, and can mean something or someone that leaves a lasting impression on your mind. After the man met someone last weekend, he believed it was love at first sight. When I first laid eyes on her, I fell in love. She's a knockout. They went to see a movie the following week on their first date. That movie was a knockout. Yeah, I absolutely loved it. Another meaning for knockout can be to defeat opposition in an elimination competition. At the end of the game, the best team won and advanced through the tournament. We've beat them comfortably and knocked them out of the competition. We look forward to our next opponents. In the golf tournament, the player really believed he would win the whole thing. I thought I would have gone all the way, but I was knocked out in the semi-final. The phrasal verb knock out can also mean to do a lot of work in order to achieve something, although sometimes this can be used in a sarcastic manner. The manager seemed a little overwhelmed with his work, so his assistant offered to help. I can take some of the workload for you, if you like. Take all of those over there. Knock yourself out. The office are short-staffed today, and the intern offers to help out. The senior staff members don't think the intern is up to the task. Yeah, go ahead, newbie. Knock yourself out. So, let's summarize. Knock out can mean to hit someone hard enough to cause them to lose consciousness. The criminal got knocked out by the police. When someone or something destroys equipment and renders it inoperable. The lights in the building were knocked out by the power cut. When you produce something very quickly. I knocked out the novel in the space of a month. Something or someone that leaves a lasting impression on your mind. Please take this as a compliment. Your wife is a knockout. To defeat opposition in an elimination competition. We knocked out last year's winners. To do a lot of work in order to achieve something, sometimes sarcastically. Here's a mountain of work to complete. Knock yourself out. Where did you hear the phrasal verb knock out? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English phrasal verbs you can use in social situations and in the workplace.